Wrong package.
信箱搞错了。
A few days after getting stuck in the elevator, Olivia opens her mailbox and finds a package addressed to Daniel. She has to knock on his door 2 doors down from hers to return it.
电梯事件几天后，奥利维亚打开信箱，发现里面有一个寄给丹尼尔的包裹。她得去敲他的门，就在他家隔壁2扇门的距离，把包裹还给他。
This is not for me.
这不是我的。
Daniel Park, that's him.
丹尼尔 Park 是他。
Okay, I need to go knock.
好，那就去敲门吧。
Yes? Oh, Olivia. Hi.
哪位？哦，奥利维亚，嗨。
Hi, sorry to bother you.
嗨，不好意思打扰了。
No, it's okay. What's up?
不会，怎么了？
This was in my mailbox. It's yours.
这个跑到我的信箱去了，是你的。
Oh, my package. I forgot about it.
哦，我的包裹，我都忘了这回事。
They put it in the wrong mailbox.
邮差投错信箱了。
That happens a lot here.
这一栋很常这样。
The mailboxes look the same.
信箱长得都一样吗？
Yeah, they do.
对啊，真的。
Thank you for bringing it up.
谢谢你特地拿上来。
No problem. What's inside?
不会，里面装什么啊？
I don't know. Let me see.
不知道哎，我看看。
A book. I ordered it last week.
一本书，上礼拜订的。
Oh, what kind of book?
哇，什么书？
Engineering. Not very exciting.
工程类的，不是很有趣。
I like reading too.
我也喜欢看书。
What do you read?
你都看什么书？
Art books, design books, sometimes stories.
画册、设计类的，偶尔看看小说。
That makes sense. You're an illustrator.
有道理，你是插画家嘛？
You remembered.
你记得啊？
Of course. From the elevator.
当然记得，电梯里聊过的。
Right, the elevator.
哈，对，电梯。
Not a great first meeting.
第一次见面的场合是差了点。
It was okay. I got a neighbor out of it.
还好啦，至少认识了一个邻居。
2 doors down.
就在2扇门的距离。
Exactly.
就是啊。
Do you want to come in for a minute?
你要不要进来坐一下？
Oh, sure, okay.
哦，好啊。
Sorry. It's still a little messy.
不好意思，里面还有点乱。
It's fine. You just moved in.
不会啦，你才刚搬来。
I don't have much. Just the basics.
我东西不多，生活必需品而已。
Your place is bigger than mine.
你家比我家大耶。
Is it? I didn't know that.
有吗？我都不知道。
We have the same floor plan, I think.
我们2间的格局应该一样。
But yours feels smaller?
可是你家感觉比较小。
I have a lot of plants.
因为我有很多植物啊。
Right. The jungle. I remember.
对哦，那座小丛林，我记得。
Yes, the jungle.
哈，对，小丛林。
Do you want some water or tea?
要喝点什么吗？水还是茶？
Water is fine, thanks.
水就好，谢谢。
Here you go.
来，给你。
Thanks. Hey, nice view.
谢谢。哇， 视野不错耶。
Yeah, that's why I picked this place.
对呀，我就是为了这个选这里的。
You can see the park from here.
从这里看得到公园耶。
Do you like it? This neighborhood?
你喜欢这里吗？这一带？
Yes, very much. It's quiet.
喜欢，超喜欢的，很安静。
Quiet is good for working.
安静的地方适合工作。
Exactly. I need quiet to draw.
就是啊，我画图一定要安静。
What are you working on now?
你现在在做什么案子？
A children's book about a bear.
一本童书，画一只熊的故事。
That sounds nice.
听起来很可爱。
The deadline is next Friday, though.
不过下礼拜五就要交稿了。
Then you should get back to work.
那你赶快回去赶稿吧。
Yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to stay long.
对，不好意思，不小心就做这么久。
No, I liked it. Thank you again for the package.
不会，我聊得很开心。包裹的事，再谢谢你一次。
Of course, anytime.
小事啦，随时。
Hey, if they mess up your mailbox, come tell me.
嘿，如果他们再把你的信搞错了，来跟我说。
Deal.
好啊，
See you around, Olivia.
再见喽，奥利维亚。
See you, Daniel.
再见，丹尼尔。
2 doors down.
就在2扇门的距离。
2 doors down.
2扇门的距离，